Kulki Lookout in the Daintree Forest, which we've been learning is the oldest rainforest continually around in existence, and it is something like 180 million years it's been here. So we're up in the northeastern part of Australia. The rainforest has got ocean here, dry land on three sides, so it's kind of an island of rainforest, which means that none of the species in here really leave, and none of the regular things like wombats and kangaroos come in. Awesome place. Crocodiles are a problem, apparently, or not a problem, but they have something like 0.9 crocodile deaths a year in Australia. So nothing to be too frightened of, just don't be stupid. So we are 16 degrees south of the equator. Technically we are in the tropics, which go to 23.5 degrees, at least based on what our guide Ben said. So we're well inside the tropics here. It doesn't feel how I expected the tropics to feel. I'm loving it. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
There you go.
Oh wow. Hello, you're a big one, aren't you? So
We are where?
Daintree ice cream.
Right. And
In the Daintree Rainforest.
so you can pay
No, $7.50.
$7.50, and they give you
4 scoops.
4 scoops of predetermined flavors,
Black sapote.
which looks like chocolate but doesn't taste
That
like
tastes like chocolate.
coconut, which we haven't got to yet,
Strawberry.
strawberry, which looks like strawberry,
hold on.
and wattle
Tell me,
seed.
what does that taste like? Tastes like wattle seed.
Yeah,
Don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is, but they're all good, so recommended. So these are Cavendish bananas,
This is what we have at home.
and our guide was telling us that bananas are the world's largest herbs. They send up a soft stem, which then has fruit, and when it's fruited it basically dies off, and they cut it off completely, and it throws up more, so it just keeps growing out of the ground, fruiting and then dying.
And these are little bananas.
Hard to think that a banana plant is actually a herb. Okay folks, so we are taking our lives in our hands today because Kim is having a go at driving in Australia, where the steering wheel is on the, I'm just going to say the right hand side.
That's the brake. And that's the gas. Okay, that's the same. And then the key side's over here. Is that right? Yes, it is.
No, there's no, this is not a modern car.
No, it's not a modern
What
car.
do we call this car?
Trusty Rusty.
Trusty Rusty. This is a cheap and well,
It's
arguably cheerful car.
Cheerful. It's kind of a rust bucket.
It's
but
an old Toyota Corolla with 375,000 kilometers on it.
I'm doing it. I just wanted to be able to say that I'm doing it. Okay.
All right. There's a car coming. Just remember, you got to get over on my side.
Okay. Right, because I would have got where he is.
Yeah, well, that would be bad. Just keep to the left, because now you are on a two-way street, which forks here. So just go to the left.
Okay. I'm doing it. I'm driving on the wrong side of it.
Ah, now
Stay left.
coming up
It's
to
a traffic circle.
coming up to a roundabout. So
Okay, but
you don't
there's
have to
nobody
stop. There's
coming.
nobody coming.
So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to go right over to this side.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Except you went the wrong way,
Oh, frick heck.
and you do have to stop and give way because you don't know if there's anyone coming. So. And there isn't.
Nobody
So you're
coming.
good. Right, off you go.
With this. Me and Trusty Rusty, we got this.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it. Oh, right.
And it's 50k.
Okay,
50 clicks an hour.
I'm going 45. Okay, I'm going 50. I'm not going
That's
fast.
all right.
I'm doing it. Look at me. Doing it. Doing it. Once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad, is it? Once you get the hang of it, I think I keep wanting to hit the windshield wipers from my indicator, though.
Yeah.
I'm driving us into town.
I love the fact they have these lines in the road showing you when you cross to the other side. You know, you just keep that line as a temporary center line marker. Where that white one is coming out,
Yeah.
that's where you want to turn left.
This is where our laundromat is, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, do I need to get
You
this
need to
lane?
no. You need to indicate left though.
Oh.
That's the other one. Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. You're good. You're good. Don't.
He knows.
He knows. He knows.
And I'm turning
You're
into
just
this
going to
part.
turn into this lane here and stay in the left. Stay in the left, and then gun it up to 100. No. Don't do
What?
it. Don't do that. That's where we went for our
Snorkeling.
snorkeling trip. And then down here is the marina where the private boats are, and Hemingway's brewery.
Yeah.
You can, yes. Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. There you go. Good. Excellent. And oh, there's somebody here from Wales. Oh.
Look at what I did! Look at what I did!
Oh.
I put it in park. Oh my god, I did it! Whoa! That was cool!
So the beauty is eating an original steak pie from Mocha's.
It's double layered. Look at that.
Oh, let's have another look.
Wow.
Oh, just steak, is it?
I think so. It's delicious.
Yeah, they got a good range.
Ah.
Steak and bacon, chili beef and cheese, curry beef, green curry, and just a whole range of pies. How was your steak pie?
Best I've ever had. Even better than yours.
And now, so for dessert, what do we have? That's a Leamington. And so what is it before you tuck in?
It's coconut. I don't know what's around the outside, but I'm going in.
Well, surely coconut is what's around the outside.
Oh. Oops. Sponge cake? Some kind of a chocolate, I think. With coconut.
Dipped in desiccated coconut. we are on 4 Mile Beach at one end, and as is common up in this part of Australia, you can't really go in the water wherever you like because of jellyfish and crocodiles and all sorts of things. So
That'll kill ya.
they put out floats with nets to keep unwanted things out, and then you can basically swim inside that area.
I did hear that stops box jellyfish, but there's a new jellyfish that's very, very tiny that can scoot through the little holes.
Yeah, but they're not that they're not that dangerous.
They won't kill you unless you get a bunch of them around you. We're not going to go swimming today. No. There's no way to describe this except just do a video. This is the sound of the birds nesting at night. Oh my God. I think they're lorikeets. I'm pretty sure they are. I think that's lucky to get sat on by a bird. Welcome to Port Douglas, the land of the lorikeets.